Welcome to another video. Today unboxing video of the LG G4. It's a refurbished phone from China, and also stored by custom, which charged me around 27 euro. So I bought this phone for around 75, so it's me like 100 euro. It cost me 100 euro. So now start opening the unboxing. So because I had LG G3 in 2015 or 16, so it was one of the best phone I ever seen, because the quality and the design, everything was best. Like in Ireland or Europe, there is especially like Samsung or iPhone is very popular, but there is no market for LG. So the only place you can buy only from the UK or an online store like eBay or somewhere else. So this is a refurbished phone. So let's see. That's the phone. It's 5.5 inch. It's good packaging. It's the normal manual. Probably AirPod. So that's the charger. Yeah, that's the great thing that I got the UK one, because normally they send you a European plug and the USB. So I asked for the back. I think it looked like leather. Like when I ordered, I thought they will send me a plastic one. There's lots of possibility, but I got the leather one. I feel like leather, but I don't think it's real leather, but I feel like leather. I think that's the nice thing. So try to turn on the phone. Yep. Oh yeah, there is so remove the plastic. So that's the phone, and there's a warranty card as well. So I think this will look nice. I think it's a better phone. So I checked in AliExpress, the LG G3 and the LG G4 is all about same price. The G3 cost me around I think 70 euro or something, and the G4 it was 75 euro. So that's why I decided to buy a G4 rather than G3. So I think this is one of the best phone. Yep, like one of the best phone. Like if you check the price, is very cheap, 75 euro for this phone. So that you can see which version. So I think it came out in probably in 2006. So but yeah, it's one of the best phone. I don't know what's the reason the LG is not that popular. So there's a fast charging as well. So I think that's the great thing. It's fast charging, and this is Android 6.0, and I tried to update it to Android 7, but I don't know, there's some problem that probably you can't. So yeah, let's check it. And even there's a 4G, so it's like a software update is available, but when you try to update, it's not working. So still, I don't know, something problem. So probably that's a refurbished phone. So I don't know what they did. Like before, I received from them a European version, but later I found out that it was a Chinese, and then they changed the software to European version. I don't know how they did, but you will never think that this is a Chinese one, but the way they did, I don't know, like it's so probably same thing with this as well. But so even the sound is good of this phone. It's very heavy, and the game, you can see, one of my favorite game, Street of Rage from Sega, all memory. Let's play. And even I tried to play the Tekken, but it was a bit lagging. I don't know, some problem or not, because this one is probably it came out in 2006, so installation. No, sorry, 2016. It came in 2016, yeah. So I think that's a 2-year-old phone, but still 75 euro is completely cheap, because if you compare the S6 or iPhone, I think iPhone 6 was on that time, so the price is too high for S6. It was around 150 to 180, and some in the iPhone 6 is also 200 or 200. So it was 75 euro is completely cheap, and same quality as S6 or iPhone 6. So it's complete now. Oh, gone. I didn't know that. The power. But you can see a bit lagging. So, and Antutu buying. So the Antutu is I think 68,193, and the video of this phone, the high quality should be 720. No, short 720. No. And that's it. So this is one of the best phones for the price, 75 euro, cheap. And you can, if you want to buy, so I'll share a link with you in the description. And I recommend especially this phone. You know, the way it's 5.5 and screen great, everything is great. So that's it for today. So probably I'll see you in the next video. Welcome to another